Hey guys, Mr. Bulger here, guys. Coming to you with lesson 159. We're talking about more integers. So, the first part of this lesson goes over a bunch of word phrases we use that are clues for what operation we're going to do. Okay, so if you see any of these words, whether we're talking about less, withdraw, difference, minus, take away, decrease, they all talk about subtraction. So if you would say Ray has 3 less candy bars than Ava, right, you would show, the amount that Ava has minus 3 equals whatever, or take away, or so on and so forth. Now these words, so it kind of goes these guys here talk about addition, sum, plus, together, and the amount that Ava has and Ray equals 7. Okay, so we have increase, add, total, combine, deposit, right? If you're depositing into the bank, these are all examples of words, right? These are all clues about which operation you're going to use, right? Whether it's this guy or these ones here. Okay, here's an example. Yes, this means word problems. So at 5 a.m., the temperature was -1 degrees Fahrenheit. By 10 a.m., it had risen, right? Risen is a clue for addition. Now, you might say, Mr. Bulger, that's not here. How's that fair? Well, sometimes we need to use our context clues. So it had risen 6 degrees by 10 a.m. So what's the new temperature? Well, we take -1. We add 6, and that equals 5. So by 10 a.m. it is now 5 degrees Fahrenheit, and that is cold. Okay, here's another example. Nolan's checking account balance is -$5. He's been at the snack shack too much, hasn't he? If he deposits $10, what will his balance be? So again, deposit, he's adding $10. So this will look like -5 plus 10, which ends up being +5. Now he has $5 in his bank account. Okay. Example 3, Jake went scuba diving. He was 20 feet below, subtraction, the water when he decided to dive down 6 more feet. What is Jake's elevation? Now, here's a couple things to keep in mind, because you might be saying, well, wait a second, we have down and more. So does this more indicate addition? That's why you need to know the context. So he begins below the sea level, so 20 feet below the water, right? We're worried about elevation. 20 feet below is going to be negative. And he's going down an additional 6 feet. So we're adding 6 feet in the negative direction. You could say -20 minus 6, but when we subtract, we're adding the opposite anyway. So either way you look at it, it's kind of the same. So his total elevation now is -26 feet. And again, like I said, You could say it's negative 20 minus 6. You're going to get the same answer. All right, guys, real short lesson for today. Hope it helps. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, love you. Bye.